In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a JPG as a PDF in Adobe Photoshop. If you've ever needed a clean, professional PDF from a single image, maybe for printing, sharing by email, or archiving, Photoshop makes it easy and gives you precise control over quality and file size. Start by opening your JPG in Photoshop. You can drag the file into the workspace or use the File menu to open it. Once the image is on your canvas and looks the way you want, head up to File and choose Save As. In the Save As window, look for the Format drop-down and select Photoshop PDF. This tells Photoshop to export your image as a PDF rather than another image format. Give the file a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and choose a location where you want to save it. When you're set, click Save. You'll now see the Save Adobe PDF dialog box. This is where you choose a preset and, if needed, fine-tune the settings. For print, high-quality print is a solid choice. It uses less compression and keeps more detail, which is ideal for brochures, posters, or anything headed to a printer. For digital sharing, like web or email, smallest file size keeps things lightweight while still looking good on screens. If you're not sure, pick the one that best matches how the PDF will be used. You can always come back and try another preset to compare results. If you want more control, expand the compression section. Here you can adjust downsampling and quality. Higher quality means larger files, while stronger compression makes files smaller but can soften fine detail. In the color section, consider converting to sRGB if the PDF is primarily for screens, or keep your print profile if you're working with a professional printer. Embedding the color profile helps ensure colors appear consistently on different devices. If you're sending the PDF to clients or posting it online, the security settings can add a password or restrict printing and editing. This is optional but useful when you need a bit more control. You may also see an option to preserve Photoshop editing capabilities. Leaving this off will reduce file size, while turning it on keeps layers and makes the PDF heavier. When everything looks good, click Save PDF. Photoshop will process the file and create your PDF in the location you chose. Open it to confirm the quality and you're done. You now have a polished PDF version of your JPG ready for